This is an example of what it might look like for you to try to combine that squat to long sit and a backward roll. For me, it helps to remember which leg is the one that goes down and which one goes out by keeping the one that's stuck out. So I know to plant the other foot, and then I can figure out the footwork versus the hands. You're always planting the opposite foot. If you do get stuck, just start over again. It's no big deal. We're just playing here. This is the idea is to get into a rhythm and work on getting up and down off the ground with more fluidity and grace. You can, of course, add on if you're comfortable with a toe touch or a backward roll, forward roll, or a reach back through the heel. Anything goes. This part's just for fun and should feel like you're getting the moves a little more smoothly as you do so.